Hey, guys! Today, I'm sharing a healthy and filling vegetable soup recipe for dinner. It's ideal to include in your weight loss journey and easy to make, healthy, and nutrient-dense. Light on the stomach and easy to digest. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my heavy-bottomed kadae with the 2 teaspoons wood-pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as till oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Give it a stir and lightly sauté the garlic. Into this, I'm adding in 3 to 4 spring onions. Finely chopped. I'm using the white part of the spring onions, and lightly give it a I'm adding in 3 broccoli florets finely chopped, 3 cauliflower florets finely chopped, 1 small carrot finely chopped, and 5 beans and capsicum finely chopped. And now I'm gonna give this a good mix. Next, I'm adding in sea salt as needed. And give it a good mix. Once the vegetables are lightly sautéed, adding in 2 cups of water, ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. Allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts to boil, cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked for 3 minutes on low to medium, adding in half of a green chili finely chopped. Now when you are making this for children, try to adjust green chili as per their taste, or you can totally omit it. A tiny bit of black pepper powder, and now I'm gonna turn off the flame. And once the flame has been turned off, I'm adding in the green part of the spring onions. This will help to retain the crunch of the spring onions. And lastly, I'm spacing in half a lemon. I have turned off the flame, and my super healthy vegetable soup is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy vegetable soup and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. And until next time.